Alors, donc, pour la suite, donc si Caroline n'est pas là, j'invite Madame Elisabeth Mayer, qui est avocate internationale, donc de venir dire un mot pour la Kabylie.
Merci. I'm going to speak in English for the cameras, for the American audience. But Mr. President, honored guests, members of the Parliament, members of the leadership, and most of all, the kabyle people, Azul! It is a profound privilege to speak to you all on this historic day, a day when people who have endured so much can declare their freedom. They're faithful to their identity, their culture, and their courage now speak to the world with one clear voice. Today's declaration does not emerge from impulse. It's the culmination of generations of resilience and decades of disciplined, peaceful struggle. It rests firmly upon the universal principles that guide all free nations: the right of a people to exist, the right of a people to be heard, and to determine their own future. And it's grounded in international law, in human dignity, and in the shared belief that freedom is not granted by those who deny it. It is claimed by those who uphold it. As an American lawyer, I stand here with a deep sense of responsibility. Nearly 250 years ago, my own country declared that certain truths are self-evident, that all people are created equal, that governments derive their power from the consent of the governed, and that when justice is denied, a people may choose a different path. Those ideals have never belonged to one nation alone, they belong to humanity. What we witness today is an African people, one of the oldest on the continent, stepping into the community of nations through peaceful means, through lawful means, and through the steadfast conviction that freedom must never be synonymous with violence. Principled that identity can be defended without hatred and that courage can be exercised without resorting to arms. And in so doing, you offer not only an example to the region, but a reminder to all democracies of the values we all must protect, especially at a time when those values are under challenge around the world. Today's declaration is not a closing of doors, it's an opening, a statement of readiness to build a state rooted in democracy, equality, secular governance, and peaceful cooperation with neighbors and partners. It's the beginning of a chapter, written not in bitterness but in dignity, and so with humility and deep admiration, I pay homage to the Kabyle people on this day of courage and clarity. May the principles affirmed here, those of peace, justice, and self-determination, guide this new nation forward, and may they inspire all who believe in the enduring promise of human freedom. Long live Kabylie!